Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Kavita Kapoor. I hope that you are fine and well at your homes. I'm also very good. So today I'm going to tell you a motivational story which will tell you the value of your life. But before telling you that story, I want you to subscribe my channel if you like my video and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notification of my upcoming videos. So here I start my story. Once a son goes to his father and says, "Father, what is the value of my life?" The father gives a stone to his son and says, "If you really want to know the value of your life, then take this stone and go to the market. But remember one thing, if anyone asks the price of this stone, don't say a word, just raises up 2 fingers." The boy does the same according to his father's instruction. He goes to the market. He wanders around and suddenly an old woman approaches him and sees the stone. She asks the price of the stone. The boy doesn't say a word and raises 2 fingers. The old woman said, $2? Okay, I'll take it. The boy is surprised. He runs back to his father and says, "Father, father, an old woman in the market wanted to take this stone for $200. What should I do?" Then the father says, "I want you to go to the next place, and the next place is the museum. You go there, but if anyone asks the price, don't say a word, just raises up 2 fingers." The boy goes to the museum, and after about 20 minutes, a middle-aged man approaches him, comes to him and asks the price of that stone. "How much is it?" The boy doesn't say a word and raises 2 fingers. The middle-aged man says, $200? Okay, I'll take it. The boy is surprised. He runs back to his father and says, "Father, father, a middle-aged man in the museum wanted to buy this stone for $200. What should I do?" The father says to his son, "Now I want you to go to the third place, which is Precious Stone Store. You go there, but if anyone asks the price, don't say a word, just raises up 2 fingers." The boy does the same. He finds the Precious Stone Store. He walks inside, and suddenly the man sitting at the counter sees the stone and jumps up. "Oh my God! This is the same stone I have been looking for my whole life. How much do you require for this stone? I want to buy this stone." The boy doesn't say a word and raises 2 fingers. The man said, $200,000? Okay, I'll give you. Give me this stone. The boy cannot believe it. He runs back to his father. He jumps up and runs back to his father. "Father, father, a man in the Precious Stone Store wanted to buy this stone in $200,000. The father says, "Do you see, son? Now do you realize the value of your life? It is up to you. Life is all about where you place yourself. Now you can decide you want to be the stone of $2 or $200 or $200,000. It's completely up to you. There are some people in your life who love you and for whom you are everything. And there are some people for whom you are nothing and who use you as a commodity. And for them you will be worth nothing. So it's completely up to you. It's up to you how to use the time. So make yourself worth living and realize the value of your life. Stay blessed, stay happy. Life is so precious. Enjoy each and every moment of your life. Okay? Thank you so much. If you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get all the notification of my videos. If you will motivate me, I will be making these kinds of videos for you. Will be motivating you forever. Thank you.